Okay, now we know the game. Kind of. Yeah, we gotta start with a weapon. Of course, we're gonna buy 2 because we need the damage output. No, and we're gonna get the orbit straight away because that was where the damage came from. What? He was like, I'm out of here, goodbye. We gotta always wait for the lineup, otherwise it's not working. Like this. There we go. Come here. We can greed a bit, it's okay. Now we see for the first time the map, and you can see now on the bottom left there's still this blue icon. The green ones are all the key spots. The blue ones are what we need to get. The bottom left is now lit up, so I guess we get a second map unlocking these. What are the yellow things though? And how do we get to the bottom right? It seems like the small border might be destroyable somewhere or another, or maybe just a teleport. Sure. Not 100% sure though. Okay. So we gotta get some coolant. That's what we learned. That should do for now. Oh, we got a second weapon. We got a second weapon. Got an orbit. Get the ammo. I'm not gonna buy anything then. We're just gonna stick to our guns like that. Okay, let's see if we can pick up the blue thing. Or maybe we should wait a bit because it's actually HP from what I've seen. Okay, no. That is not working. Ah, with space you can toggle weapon. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. See, now it's open. And it seems like coolant is steadily draining as well. So as soon as we get a bit farther, we're gonna get a bit more coolant, as I guess. Okay, we need a new map probably to unlock this. So 1, 2, 3, come on. So beholder, come here. Oh, come on. That was cheese. So 1, 2, come on. There we go. Go. Okay, come on. And and So we're getting stuff done. HP is not looking too good though. And that is something we want to change. So we have to try to get in there one way or another. There you go. 1, 2. And I think we have to kill these turrets as well. I think they are the yellow dots. I don't know if this is going the way I want it to. I'm really not sure. Let's check here. We got some coolant, I think. Yeah. I would really fancy not to die here. But I think there's nothing we can do about it. If it's time, right? So... Oh, and you see, this thing is still straight up lit blue, so there's something we need to take care of additionally. Also, we need to get in there. I guess it's time for this room again. There we go. Do you think this key card will unlock the blue thing? Let's hope. No. It wouldn't. I'm afraid to say that we will need coolant, although the ship is... Ah. See, now it's blinking. Maybe we can get it now. Let me get some coolant nevertheless. Just to make sure. It would be so nice if you could buy health. That would be so nice. Yeah, but this is our only chance at health right now. So if the rocket hits us, it's over. It didn't. And lo and behold, look at us. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, and another one. I'm slowly getting there. That was important, I guess. So is this a teleporter? Yes, sir. Oh, and now the lights are out. And I'm dead. Fuck. Okay. I wanna try new weapons. We got the money to back it up. I mean, it says not available. And what? Smart bomb, bullet scrambler. There are weird things. Let's try the shuriken bolter. And let's get another orbit free. Of course, coolant too. We saved up money. We gotta spend it now. Okay. Oh, what? Different enemies now? What is happening now? This makes literally no sense. Why do we have such strong enemies all of a sudden? Fuck. Right. Everything's strong all of a sudden. Of course, they would respawn. For no particular reason. This would be important. The 2-key lock. Gathered everything we could here already. Because I think... Okay. Somehow, some way... Yeah, the game has new music. It's Enjoy the Silence gameplay. And laser sounds. Hey, bro. Why is the game giving us shit all of a sudden? Let's give it another shot. We're about to die as well. So... It's scary now. Because death around every corner. Oh! Yeah. Literally. Ah. Game is tough. Okay, since we've seen some weapons, you know what? We're now gonna go for the highest one. Gauss gun. Let's buy it. No regrets. Gonna get the Orbit 1 because we need to buy... Yeah, we can't even afford coolant. There we go. Let's go. But we got the coolest gun in the game. Whoa! So even these guys... Look at them. They're still dangerous. Okay. So, since we can't go down here... Of course we got enemies now. I think the longer the mission drags on, the more difficult the game gets. That's some gut feeling I have. So now we go in here. Take out the turret because with my Gauss gun, I have no chance at all. Okay, nothing in here. Cool. Okay, it's a bit scary because you never know what's happening. So, you know, just activating the door, I didn't know what I'd be facing, and it's just ammo. I mean, saying just ammo makes it sound like I'm disappointed. Oh, we didn't get any credits yet. True. And if we're a bit farther away, okay, we cannot check the map. No credits as well. From no one. Imagine. Ah. See? Oh, we're here? We can buy anything. That's not the point. And now we're here. Another teleporter. Oh, yeah. I wanted to get out of there as quick as possible because of that. Oh no, I touched it. Okay. 21 and 50 is our final score. That's fine by me. But I think the game has no score. Ah, the game has scoreboard. We've seen it. There. JEK.